Hey YouTube, I wanted to say Happy Valentine's Day, because my Valentine's Day sucks. Why? Because I didn't get a Valentine. No, I did. I got this bag, actually, from a lot of stuff inside and candy. Let's check. I have an Airhead. 2 Airheads, actually. One flavored orange. And this one, blue raspberry. I like blue raspberry. It's cool. And a whole bunch of kisses. No, not those kind of kisses. Chocolate kisses. They're awesome. And I just dropped one. Give me a minute.
The floor is filthy.
I just knocked over a chair. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick that up. I'm such. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day. We got a lot of candy, treats, Valentines, and stuff. I gotta go, but I hope you guys had a great. Peace.